Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this light baby blue off the shoulder top. So it's just like this. On the top it's super duper stretchy. There's a little tie in the front so you can have a little bit of difference and flair. Little ruffles, it's just one layer. Everything is made out of the same fabric, front and back, all the same. It's curved in the back, so it's a little kind of like a semicircle. Oh, it also comes with one of these. So this is basically like clear bra straps, so you can add this on to the shirt if you want to. And it just looks like this. It's just a clear strap. And in here, there are actually the strap holes. So you can go ahead and insert those. I'm personally not gonna add them on, but if you wanted to, you could attach it. So let me go ahead and try it on. So this is what it looks like. You can go ahead and just wear something different underneath, like such as like, strapless or something like that, so that you can, it doesn't look like this, but that's completely up to you. But this is what it looks like over here. You can go ahead and tie that up, however you wanted to. You could tie it up higher, like that. Then do like a little, let's do like a little bow. Or you can tie it even higher, over here, show your belly, whatever it is. I preferably, prefer to tie it a little bit lower, but it's quite loose, it doesn't, it's not figure hugging at all. Here's the back. So the back goes down. Once again, loose over here as well. If you want, you can probably have this as the back. Let's see what that looks like. So if you have this as the front, this is all the same anyways, and then this in the back as a little tie, you can tie it higher. That actually might be cuter. It's really up to you. I mean, it's quite versatile, it's flexible. Probably want to iron it a little bit. But other than that, this is what the top looks like. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this top, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.